accountancy class. Now, I will tell you about my experience story. Last month, I had a motorbike accident with my friend after school at the Semansa intersection. We were hit by another motorbike when the light turned green. We both fell and my motorbike was damaged. Luckily, we were seriously hurt. We pulled over, apologized to the rider, and went home. I don't forget to take my friend to her home, and after that, I went home. After I got home, I tell my parents that I had an accident with my friend after school. Luckily, my parents didn't scold me. They just tell me to be more careful. After that, I clean my wound and then go to sleep.